In 2011, there were 28,535 organ transplants in the United States. The pie chart shows the percentage for the main transplants. How many kidney transplants were there in 2011? And then we're also asked to find the liver transplants and the heart transplants. Well, we'll start with the kidney transplants. So looking at the chart gives us not a number but a percent. So we need to take 58%, turn it to a decimal here, so it's 0.58, and multiply it by the total number of organ transplants, which would be 28,535. So multiplying these, we would get approximately 16,550 kidney transplants. We'll do the same thing for liver transplants. So looking at our chart, once again, we have the percent, not the number, of liver transplants. So turning this to a decimal, we have 0.21, and we also have to multiply it by the total number of organ transplants, so 28,535. Multiplying these gives us approximately 5,992 liver transplants. And finally, looking at the heart transplants, which are listed right here, we see that there are 8% of all of them are heart transplants. So turning this to a decimal, we have 0.08 times the total number of transplants again, which is 28,535, gives us about 2,283 heart transplants.